We are going to start some maths question. Okay, find the average of a prime number, all prime numbers. So 31 to 37, 41, 43, 47. So divide by 5. Find the average of 40 natural number and n plus 1 by 2. So this will be 8, 20. Find the average of 20 multiples of 7. So 7 into 1 into 20. So n plus 1 by 2 will be there. 20 into 20 plus 1, 21 by 2. And divide by 20 also and multiply by 7. The average of 4 executive number x plus 2 x plus 4 x plus 6 by 4. So this will we will get the x equals to 24. So bigger number will be x plus 6, that will be 24 plus 6. Okay, there are two sections A and B class consigning to the 36 and 46 students respectively. If the average weight of the A is 40. Okay, so 36 plus 44 equals to 36 into 40 plus 44 into 35, and B is 35, and this will aggregate and divide by 80, so we will get the answer. Okay, next one is next one is 9 persons went to hotel their meal, and 8 of them have 12. 8 of them have 12 to each meal, and the 9th person spent 8 rupees more than the average expenditure of the whole. So 12 into 8 plus 8 plus 8 in 12 into 8 plus x plus 8 equals to 9x. It's given because 8 more than average expenditure average expenditure of all of the 9. So 12 into 8 plus 8 plus x plus 8 equals to 9x. Okay, so we will get 8x equals to 104. So x equals to 13. So we will get total money spent is 9x. So 9 into 13 which is 117 rupees. Of the three numbers, second is twice the first and also thrice the third. So this is x, 3x and 3x by 2. So second number is thrice the first and twice the first. Second number is twice the first, 3x by 2. So we will put here x plus 3x plus 3x by 2 equals to, we will get x equals to 24. X equals to 24. So largest number of the second number, 3x equals to 72. So x equals to 24. The average of 25 results 18, and the average of first 12 is of 14. So 12 into 14, and last of the 12 is 17. So 18 into 25 minus 14 into 12 plus 17 into 12, we will get the average. The average of 11 results is 60 if the average of first 6 result is 58, and that of last is 63. So we will do here 58 into 6 plus 63 into 6 minus 60 is 2 into 11, so we will get 66. The average weight of A, B, C is 45 if the average weight of A and B is 40 and that of B and C is 43. So A plus B plus C 43 into 3, A plus B 40 into 2, and B plus C is 43 into 2. So we will get A plus B plus C minus A plus B plus C. So this will average we will get. The average age of A class of 39 students are 15 years, and if the average age of the teacher of include, then the average increase by 3 months. So if teacher will include, then it will increase 3 months, so 15 year and 3 months, so 61 by 4 year it will be. So total average of 40 student will be 61 by 4. Total age of 40 person into 40 equals to 610 years. So this will be 610 minus 585. The average weight of the 10 men in boat is increased by 1.8 when one of the crew who weight is 53. So total weight increase 1.8 into 10 equals to 18, and one main increased included then 53 plus 18. So 1.58 into 10 will be the 18, then we will 18 into the 53 will get 71. There are 35 students in a hotel. Due to the admission of 7 new students, expenses were more increased by 42 per. So there is 42 increased, and while the average of the expenditure per diminished by 1, and 42 into x minus 1 minus 35x, because there is 35 student equals to 42 will do, because this equation will made as 42 students are there. So 42 into x minus 1, because 1 is diminished, minus 35 equals to 42. 7x equals to 84, x equals to 12. Next one, in batsman makes a score of 87 run in the 17 inning. So 87 run in a 17 inning, and thus increase his average by 3. Find the average after 17 inning. Let the average after 17 inning is x, then average after 16 inning x minus 3. So 16 x minus 3 plus 87, 16 x minus 3, because its average is increased by the 16 after 17 inning, thus increase his average by 3. So 16 into x minus 3, 16 into x minus 3 plus 87 equals to 70x. So x equals to 87 minus 48 equals to 39, because 16 into x minus 3 plus 87, a batsman makes score 87 in run in 17 inning. It's making 17 inning 87 run, and thus increase his by 3. So 16 inning में उसने x minus 3 किया होगा और उसमें 87 प्लस किया, तभी उसको 17 इनिंग मिली होगा. तो ये हो जाएगा अपने पास x इक्वल्स टू 87 माइनस 48. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को बार बार दोहराने से ही हमें पता चलता है. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू स्टेशन A and B is 778 किलोमीटर. A train covered the journey from A to B is 84 and return back to the A with a uniform speed of 56 per hour. Find the average speed. So 84 into 56 upon 84 plus 56 into 2. So 67 will be the answer. Now we are going to discuss some more question of average. So this is page number 143. Page number 143. पेज नंबर 143 के आंसर बताने हैं ना, क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. A library has average 510 visitors. A library has average 510 visitors Sunday and 240 on other day. 240 on other day. The average number of visitors per day in a month is 30 day, beginning with a Sundays. Sunday को कितने आए होंगे? So average age of the 510 visitor on the Sunday and 240 on the other day. So we will since the month begins with the Sunday, so there will be 5 Sunday in the month. So it's asking beginning with a Sunday. ये पूछ रहा है कि Sunday से beginning होने वाले कितने मतलब होंगे. तो हमें पता है कि एक ही Sunday वीक में अगर एक Sunday है तो 5 Sunday होंगे, like will be the 5 Sunday in the month. Okay, there will be 5 Sunday in the month. So we will divide 510 into 5 plus 240 into 25 upon 30. So we will get the answer. Next one is, if the average marks of 3 batches is 55, 60 and 45 students respectively is 50, 55 and 60, then the average marks of the student it is. So average marks ये बोल रहा है 55, 50, 60. So 55, 60 and 45 and 60, 45 and 60. So we can do here 55 into 55 into 50 60 into 55 and 45 and 45 into 60 divided by 55, 60 and 45. So we will get the answer. Next one is the average weight of 16 boys in the class is 50.25 kg and that of the remaining 8 boys is 45.15 kg. Find the average weight of all of the boys in the class. So 16 boys in a class is a 50 into 16 plus 45.15 into 8 upon 60 plus 8. Next one is the average of 6 some number is x and the average of 3 of these is y. So 6 number is average is x and 3 of this is y. The average of 6 number is x and the average of 3 of these is y. If the average of the remaining 3 is z, then so this will be the total quantity of petrol. Question number 27. So question number 27 is we can do here the average of 6 number is x and average of 3 of number is y. So 3y plus 3z if the average of remaining 3 is z. 3y plus 3z upon 6 we will do, and 2x equals to y plus z. So 2x equals to y plus z we will get. But what we did here, we did 6 number is x and then average of 3 of these is y. 3 of this is y, then 3 of this will be z divided by 6. Okay, out of 9 person, 8 person spends 30 each for their meal. 9 persons are there and 8 spends 30 each for their meal. The ninth one spent 20 more than the average expenditure. If ninth one is the x, then he will spend x plus 20 rupees. Okay, average of all 9. The total money spent of all will be, so 9x equals to x, 8 into 30 plus 8 plus 20 we'll solve and we'll get the answer 292 rupees. The sum, the average of 50 number is 30. Okay, if the two numbers are 35 and 40 are discarded, he is saying 30 plus 40 is discarded and this will be 1425, and there was two numbers are discarded. Okay, and there was 50 numbers. Now we will divide by 48 and we will get the answer. Okay, next the average of 5 number is 27. Okay, 5 into 27. If one number is excluded one, then 25 into 4 and we will get the answer. Next one, the average age of 35 student in a class is 16 year and the average of 21 students is 40. So 35 average age of 35 students in a class is 16 year and the 14 is 21. We will get the direct answer, but we will divide by the 14 because it's saying that average of 20, the average of remaining 14, for 14 will divide with 16 children are to be divided into two group A and B, 16 and 6. The average percent marks obtained by the children group A is 75 and average percent marks of all of the 16 children is 76. So the average the 16 children are to be divided into two group A and B, 10 and 6 is two children. The average percent marks obtained by the children group A is 75 and average percent marks of all the 16 children is 76. So question number 32 is 76 into 16. Okay, 76 is there and total is 16. And average student of the average student marks obtained by the children's A group. A group is 10, so 10 into 75 and divide by 6 because they are 6 students. So we will get the average. So what are the average percent marks of children of the group B? We want to know about group B, so total minus group A will divide by this. Okay, now question number 32 we did. Question number 33, the average score of cricketer for 10 matches is 38, and if the average for the first 6 matches is 42, 10 matches is 38 and first 6 is 42, we will simply get the answer. The average of 6 number is 3.95 and the average of 2 of them is 3.4. So 6 into 3.95, 2 into 3.4, while the average of other 2 is then other 2 also 2 into 2.85. What will be average remaining 2? So it's very easy to find out. Question number 34. Question number 34 is 13. Very easy. We will get the answer by solving. The batting average of the 40 innings of the cricket player is 50 runs. Okay, 50 runs into 40. His highest score exceed his lowest score by 172. Then the lowest scores will be the x minus 1 by 272. If their two innings are excluded, the average of the remaining 38 innings is 48. 38 into 48 is given here. Okay, the highest score of player will be. So we will do here 50 into 40 minus x plus x minus 72, because his highest score exceed his lowest score by 172. So x plus x minus 172 is given. 50 into 40 minus x plus x minus 172 equals to 38 into 48. 2x equals to 2000 plus 172 minus 1828. So it's x equals to 174. Next is question number 73. Question number 73. We are going to discuss question number 73. Okay, so the average age of the 100 and his wife was 23. Average age of husband and his wife was 23 years at the time of their marriage. After 5 years, they have an 1 year old child. The average age of family is now. So 23 into 2, because 2 persons were there at the time of marriage. After 5 years, they have a one child also. So 23 into 2 plus 5 into 2 plus 1 equals to 57 year will be the age, because 23 into 2 will we do, then 5 year will add. So 5 into 2 plus 1 child will add. 57 divided by 3, 19 year will be the average age. 3 years ago, the average age A and B was 18 years. So A and B equals to 18 into 2. 3 years ago, then 3 into 2 also plus करेंगे तो 42 आ जाएगा. C joining them and the average age becomes 22. Then 42 plus then C joining them. So 22 into 3 will be 66. Because he is saying with the C joining them, the average age will be become 22. So A plus B plus C equals to 22 into 3. Total age equals to 66. And A plus B equals to 18 into 2 plus 3 into 2 equals to 42. So 66 minus 42 equals to 24 age. The average age of husband, wife and their child is 3 years ago was 27 years. And that of wife and a child 5 years ago was 20 years. So average age of the husband, wife and their child 3 years ago was 27 years. So 27 into 3 plus 3 into 3 equals to 19 years. And sum of the present age of the wife and child. And he is saying the age of the wife and the child 5 years ago was 20 years. So 20 into 2 plus 5 into 2 equals to 50 years. So he'll simply minus 90 minus 5, 50 equals to 40 years. Third, the 3 years ago, the average age of a family of 5 members was 17 years. A baby having been born and the average age of the family same today. So 5 members are 17 years and 3 years ago. So 17 into 5 equals to 85 plus 3 into 5 equals to 100. We will get 100. Then 6 member will be the 17 into 6 equals to 102. So age will be a 2 year. Okay. Next is we will discussing the average age of group of person going for picnic is 16 years. So this question number I am discussing now 80. Okay. So the average age of the person giving picnic 16. 20 new person will be added and age will be 15 years. Join the group on the spot, due to which their average age become 15.5. So 16 x plus 20 into 15, because 16 year was there and 20 new person were added, so age will be 15. So 20 equals to 15.5, and so due to which the average becomes 15.5. Okay, so 20 new person age. So 15.5 into x plus 20, 16x plus 20 into 15, 20 new added. Oh, then age become 15. So 16x plus 20 into 15 equals to 15.5, and x plus 20. So x equals to 20. A certain factory employed 600 men and 400 women, and the average wage was 25 pounds per day. If the women got 5 less than the men, then what are the? So certain factory employed 600 men and 400 women. So 600 x plus 400, and average wage was 25.50. So average wage was 25.50. 600 plus 400. If the woman got less than 5, so man is getting x, then woman get x minus 5 equals to 25.50 and 600 plus 400. So then their daily wage will be, so we will get here 1000 x equals to 27500. So x will be the 27.50. Okay, next will be the arithmetic mean of the score of a group of student in a test was 52. Arithmetic mean was the arithmetic mean of the score of group is the test was the 52. 52 into 100. Okay, and the brightest 20% of them are scores and mean score of 80. So 20 into 80, and the dullest 25 score was 31. Okay, and the mean score remaining 55. So plus 55 into x equals to total average age equals to 52 plus 100. So we will get the answer. The average salary of all worker in the workshop is 8,000. Now question number 83. Okay, 8,000 was the total worker salary, and 7 technicians added. So 12,000 to 7, and average salary of the rest is 6,000. So the average salary of 7 technicians will be 12,000, and the average salary of the rest will be the x minus 7. If the 7 will be the average, then rest will be x minus 7. So 12,000 into 7 plus 6,000 x minus 7 equals to 8,000 x. So we'll get the answer. Next is the average salary in a school with 600 students. Age of the boys in 12 year and the that of the 11 year. If the average age of the school is 11 year and 9 months. So question number 84. 84 is there. So there will be the 11x. The average salary of 600 students were the average age of the boys is 12 year. So 11x plus 12. The average age of the school 11 3 by 4th. 11 3 by 4th into 600 equals to 11x 12 600 minus x. 11x and 12 600 minus x. So 11x will be there because there is given 11 years. Okay, and plus 12 year also given, and 600 minus x we will do with this x and 600 minus x, because the number of girls are x, the number of boys will be the 600 minus x. So we'll go through 11 3 by 4 600 11x plus 12 600 minus x. Okay, next question. So how this we going to solve these questions? Simply solve it full of zeal. You will solve. Keep it up. Next, problem of numbers. A number is as much greater than 36 as is less than 86. So x minus 36 equals to 86 minus x. It will be number will be 61. Find the number such that when 15 is subtracted from 7, so 7x minus 15 and times number, the result will be 10 more than twice the number. So 2x plus 10 will be the number. Okay, so we will get the answer. The sum of the rational number and its reciprocal is 13 by 6. X plus 6 x equals to 13 by 6. So find the number. So we will find the number x equals to 3 by 2. The sum of two numbers is 184, and third of exceeds 1/7 of the other 8. So 1 x by 3 minus 184 minus x by 7 equals to 8. And the one third of the 1 exceeds 1/7 of other by 8. A sum of the two numbers is 184. So first number x, second 184 minus x and the 1/3 of the one exceed 1/7 of the other equals to 8. So we will do this. The difference of two number is 11. X minus y equals to 11, and 1/5 of their sum is 9. So 1/5 x plus y equals to 9. So x plus y equals to 45. While solving this, we will get the answer. If the sum of two number is 42 and product is 437, so x plus y whole square minus 4xy, x minus y equals to x plus y whole square minus 4xy का whole square. So 42 का whole square minus 4 into 437. So this will get 4. Next, the sum of the two number is 15 and sum of the square is 113. So x and x, 15 minus x. So x square plus 15 minus x square equals to 113. So while solving, we will get equation x square minus 15x plus 56. So factorizing the 56, 7 into 8, 7 8 ja 56. So minus 7 minus 8. So we will get 7 and 8. The average of 4 consecutive even number is 27. Find the largest then number. Let the 4 consecutive number x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, and then the sum of these number 27 into 4, 108. So we will put the value and get the answer. The sum of the square of 3 consecutive number is this. So we will find again equation and we will factorize the equation 27 into 31. Okay, so 27 into 31 equals to will be the 837. So we will get the answer. Of the two number 4 times and the smaller one is less than 3 times the larger one by 5. Let the number will be the x and y. So smaller one is larger one by 5. So 3 times 4 times smaller one is less than 3 times the larger one. Of the two, 4 times the smaller one is less than the 3 times the larger one by 3. So 3x minus 4 equals to 5. Okay, if the sum of the number is larger than 6 times difference of the y, x plus y minus 6, x minus y equals to 6. So minus 5x plus 5 7 equals to 6. The ratio between a 2-digit number and the sum of the digit of that number is 4:1. So ratio sum of the digit is x plus 2 equals to 2x. Ratio is x plus 3. The 2-digit number is and their sum of the digit of that number is 4:1. So x plus 3 equals to 2x plus 3. This will be the 10x plus x plus 3, 11 plus 3. So we will get like the ratio between a 2-digit number and sum of the digit of that number is 4:1. If the digit in the unit place is 3 more than digit in the 10th place. Okay, 10th place, what is the number? So 10x plus x plus 3 equals to 11x plus 3. 11x plus 3 upon 2x plus 3 equals to 4 by 1, and we will get the answer. A number consists of 2 digit. The sum of the digit is 9. X, 1 is x, 9x, 9 minus x. If 63 is subtracted, so 10x plus 9 minus x equals to 9x plus 9. So number will be 10x plus 9 minus x equals to 9x plus 9. So number obtained by the remaining digit 10, 9 minus x plus x equals to 90 minus x. So let the number x and 9 minus x. Number will be 10x plus 9 minus x equals to 9x plus 9. Number obtained by the remaining digit 10 and 9 minus x plus x equals to 90 minus 9x. So 9x plus 9 minus 63. 9x plus 9 equals minus 63 equals to 90 minus 9x. We will get the answer. Next is a fraction of 2 by 3 when 1 is added to both its numerator and denominator and it's become 1 by 2. When 1 is subtracted from numerator and denominator, find the fraction. So it's saying like x plus 1 and y plus 1 equals to 2 by 3. Okay, because it's saying like it's added 1 to both. So x plus 1 y plus 1 equals to 2 by 3. Will get the one equation to 3x minus 2y equals to minus 1, and if we subtracted x minus 1, y minus 1 equals to 1 by 2. So we will get 2x minus 1, then we will get the answer of both. So we will cut the multiply by 2. 2 से 2 कटा 4x, x equals to 3. Okay, so 2 4 and 4 is x and 2, yeah, 3. 50 is divided into two parts. One is x, second will be 50 minus x, and that sum of their reciprocal is 1 by 12. 1 by x plus 1 by 15 minus x equals to 1 by 12. So we will got the equation x square minus 50x plus 600. So 30 and 20 will be the fraction. If three numbers are added in the pair, okay, the sum equal to 10, 19 and 21. 10, 19 and 21. Find the numbers. Pair x plus y plus z and z plus x. So 2x y z equals to 50. Okay, and x plus y plus z equals to 25. So we will get 25 minus 19, then 25 minus 21, 25 minus 10. We'll get the answer in pairs. Three numbers are added in pairs. The sum equal to 10, 19 and 21. Find the numbers x plus y. Pairs means two part. Okay. Now 22. Question number 22. Question number 22. Question number 22 is what? It's the sum of the positive number and its reciprocal is thrice the difference of number and reciprocal. So question number 22, sum of the number and its reciprocal is thrice the difference of the number. So x minus x by 1 upon x. So we will get x square plus 1 by x equals to 3x square minus 1 upon x. So x square plus 1 equals to 3x square minus 3. So we will get x equals to root 2. Next, the product of the two natural number is 17. So AB equals to 17, and then the sum of the reciprocal within square is A equals to 1, B equals to 17. So 1 upon A square, 1 upon B square. Product equals to 17. So A will 1, B will be the 17. So we will get the answer. Next is 24. If 2 1 by 2 is added to the number and the sum multiplied by 4 1 by 2 and 3 is added to the product. So 4 1 by 2. If 2 1 by 2 is added to a number and the sum multiplied by 4 1 by 2. 4 1 by 2 x plus 2 1 by 2 plus 3. 2 1 by 2 x 4 1 by 2 plus 3 added to the product and then dividing by 1 and 1 by 2 5. So it will become 25. Quotient will become 25. So 9 by 2 x plus 5 by 2. So we will get the answer 9x by 2 plus 45 by 4 plus 3, 25 into 6 by 5. So we will get the answer. Let the numbers are 4x, 5x and 6x. Then three numbers are in this ratio. So we will divide by 25 and we will get the answer. Three numbers are in the ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 6. 3x, 4x, 6x equals to 1944. So we will get the answer. Two numbers are such that the square of one is 224 less than the 8 times the square of other. So 4x square equals to 8 times 3x square minus 224. Let the number be 4x and 7x. Let the number be 4x and 7x. 4x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 equals to 3 by 5. We will get the answer. Next one is the sum of three numbers is 264. If the first number be twice the second number and third number 1/3 of the first number. So 2x plus x plus 2x by 3 equals to 264 and we will get the answer. The sum of two numbers are 22, x plus 22, x and 22 minus x. Okay, 5 times one number is equal to the 6 times of other. So 5 into x equals to 6 into 22 minus x. So we will get the answer. 1/5 of a number is equal to 5 by 8. 1/5 of a number is equal to 5 by 8. Okay. And if 35 is added to the first number, so x plus 35 is added to the first number, it become 4 times of the second number, 4y. So we will add the value x plus 35 equals to 32 by 25x. So we will get the answer y equals to 8 by 25x, and we will putting the value, because as we know we what we get, y equals to 8 by 25x. So at x plus 35 equals to 4y, x plus 35 equals to 32 by 25x, because y की वैल्यू हमने निकाली है 8/25. So 8 by 25 is y, and 8 into 4 equal to 32 by 25. So we will get the answer. Next one is a sum of two number is 25 and their difference is 13. Question number 32. Sum of two number is 25, difference is 13. Find their product. X plus y का होल स्क्वायर माइनस x माइनस वाई का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 21 का एंड 25 13 का होल स्क्वायर. So 4xy equals to this. So 4xy is this, then x equals to xy equals to divide by 4. So divide by 4 करेंगे 1. So 4xy equals to x plus y का होल स्क्वायर माइनस x माइनस y का होल स्क्वायर. This formula is very important. 4x का y equals to 4x plus y का होल स्क्वायर माइनस x माइनस y का होल स्क्वायर. Next one is if sum of two number is 40 and their difference is 4. Question number 34. X plus y, sum of two numbers is 40 and difference is 4. Okay, so x plus y equals to 10x minus y. So 9x equals to x by y equals to 11 by 2. So this number question we will discuss today. Now I am coming to fraction. Fraction is express the each the following in the fraction. 56% equals to 56 by 100, so 14 by 25. 4% equals to 4 by 100, 1 by 25. 0.6% equals to 0.6 upon 100, 6 by 1000. 0.08% equals to 0.08 upon 100, and 6% equals to 6 by 100. 28 equals to 28 by 100, and 0.2% equals to 0.2 by 100. 23 upon 36 equals to into 100 करेंगे तो निकल जाएगा आंसर. एंड 28% इंटू 150 प्लस 45 upon 100 इंटू 280 we will solve the answer. 2 is what percent of 50, so 2 by 50 into 100. 1 by 2 is what percent of 1 by 3, so 1 by 2 into 3 by 1. And what percent of 7 is 84, so 84 is what percent of 7. We will read this. 84 upon 7 we will do. Next is what percent of 25 equals to 2.2125. So 25%. So x by 100 into 25 equals to 2.125 will be do. Will get the answer. And 9 upon 100 x equals to 6.3. So 6.3 into 100 by 9. So we will get the answer. And 0.25 upon 100 equals to okay, which is greatest in 16, 2 by 3 and all of them. So 16 2 by 3 equals to 50 by 3 into 1 by 100. So we will get 0.166. 2 by 15 is 0.133, clearly 0.17. So if the sales tax be reduced from 3 and 1 by 2 and 8400 minus 3 1 by 3 into 8400, 7 by 2 minus 10 by 3 into 8400 equals to 1 by 6 into 8400 equals to 4. And in inspector project 0.08 of the meters at defective, how many of the rejected? So 8 by 100 into 1 by 100 into x equals to 2. So we will get the answer. 65% of a number is 21 less than the 4 by 5th of that number. 4 by 5th x minus 65 of x equals to 21. So 4 by 5 x minus 65 upon 100 equals to 21. Difference of two number is the 1660. X minus y equals to 1660, and one number is 12.5% of that of number. So 5 by x minus y equals to 1660. So 7.5 and x equals to 12.5. Just putting the value in expressing a length 81.4, so as nearly as possible with three significant digits. Find the example answer. 85.81.5 minus 81.472. So with the expressing the range is possibly with the significant digit or percentage error. 81.5 will do. And in an election between the candidates, 75% of the voters cast their vote, which is 2% of votes were declared invalid. 2% are invalid, then 98% of 75% of x will be there. So 75% of 98% of 75% of x equals to 9261. A candidate got to 9261 votes, which is the 75% of total valid vote. So 75% of 98% of 75% of x. So 75 upon 100, 98 upon 100, and the 75 upon 100 into x equals to 9261. So we will get the answer. Shobha mathematics test has 75 problems, 10 arithmetic, 30 algebra, 35 geometric problem. Although the answer 70% of arithmetic, 40% of algebra, 16 geometry problem correctly, and she did not pass the test because got less than 60% of problem rights. How many questions would have the needed to answer correctly to under 60% passing grade? So Shobha got 70% of the 10 into the arithmetic, plus 40% of the 40% of the 30, and 60% of the 35, and she got 40. Okay, but question to be answered correctly 16%, and that 16% of the 75 equals to 45. So Shobha should get 5 more. Okay, if 50% of the x minus y equals to 30% of x plus y. So 50 upon 100 x minus y equals to 30 upon 100 x plus y. So we will get 5 x minus y equals to 3 x plus y, and we'll solve that. Mr. John gave 40% of money he had to his wife. 40% to his wife. Okay, 2x. So remaining will be 3x by 5. He also gave 20% remaining amount to each of his 3 sons. So now remaining is 3x by 5 into 3 into 20 by x equals to 9x by 25 to each son. Okay, now remaining 3x by 5 minus 9x by 25 equals to 6x by 25. Okay, half of the amount now left was spent on miscellaneous item. So 6x by 25 into half equals to 3x by 25. So remaining will be 3x by 25. Okay, so remaining amount will be 12,000. So to 3x by 25 into 12,000 equal to 12,000. So x equals to 1 lakh rupees. Okay, next one is 10% of the inhabitants of the village having died cholera and panic, and 25% are of inhabited left the village. So 100 minus 25 of 100 minus 10% of x equals to 4025. So 75 upon 100, because it's saying like 25% of remaining left the village into 90 upon 100 into x equals to 4050. So this will be 6000. A salesman's commission is 5% on all sales up to 10,000, and 4% of sales exceed this. He remits the 3100. So 5% of all sales is 1 lakh plus 4% of this is 4% of x minus 1000 equals to 31100. So the x minus 5 by 100 plus 4 upon 100 x minus 1000 equals to this. So x minus 500 plus, and we will solve that. Get the one equation is 5% of 10,000 plus 4% of x minus 10,000. Okay, equals to 31100. So we will get the answer finally. 5 by 100 and 4 by 100, and we will get the answer. Raman's salary was decreased by 50%, subsequently increased by 50%. How much percent does follows? 150% of 50% of 100. Original salary was 100, decreased by 50% and subsequently increased by 50. So 150% of 50% of the 100. So 150 upon 100 and 50 upon 100. Okay. Paulson spent 75% of his income, is increased by 20% of increase by expenditure, but okay. So original is 100 and the expenditure will be 75%, the average income saving 25. Okay. Now income is 120 because 25% increase. So he increase his expenditure 10% also. So new expenditure 110 upon 100 into 75 equals to 160 by 2. Okay, and now 120 is new income minus 160 by 5 upon 2 equals to 75 by 2. And now saving increase 75 by 2 minus 25 equals to 25 by 2. And percentage increase 25 by 2 into 1 by 25 into 100 equals to 50%. Simple. The original income was 100 and the expenditure 75, the saving 25. A new income he is saying like 20% increase, so we will go 120. A new expenditure will be 1 by 10 upon 100 into 75 because before he was his income was 75. So 160 by 2 will be there. Okay, and now saving 120 minus 165 by 2, 75 by 2, and 75 by 2 minus 25 equals to 25. The salary of a person was reduced by 10%, so 90. And what should be the reduced salary be raised so as to bring it as per the original salary? 100 and new salary is the 19, so 10 upon 90, 10 will be the reduced salary is the 10 and it's 90 into 100. So by what percent of should be the reduced salary to be raised the bring it per with the original salary. So 100 and new salary is 19, so 110 by 19 into 100, 11 by 9. When a price of product was decreased by 10%, so 100 was there and 100 pieces, total revenue 100 into 100 is 10,000. So 19 is sold 30%, so 19 into 130 equals to 11700. So 17 upon this we will get. If the numerator of the fraction is increased by 15%, so 1115 of x and the denominator by x 92% and y equals to 15 by 16. So 115x upon 92 y equals to 15 by 16 and we will get 15 by 16 into this. In a new budget, the price of a kerosene oil rose by 25%, x r upon 100 plus r into 100. So 25 upon 125 into 100. The person reduces consumption so that his expenditure does not increase. So 25 upon 125 upon, and the population of a town is 1,176400. It's increased by 5%. 1 plus 5 upon 100 का whole square. So 1,76400, 21 upon 100, 21 upon 40 equals to 194481. So 1,76488, 1 plus 5 by 100 का whole square. The value of a machine, we will solve this. 1,76400 that is equals to 1944. So 1764 population after 2 years and ago. If we it's talking about ago, then divide that, and if after, then just multiply simply. After will be the 1 plus 5 by 100 whole square and ago will be the 17600 upon 1 plus 500. The value of a machine depreciate at the rate of 10% per annum if its present value is 16200. So depreciation will be 16200 into 1 minus 10 by 100. Okay, 1 minus 10 by 100 ka whole square. So machine after 2 year will be this, and before 2 year will be, what will be value of machine to ago. So 16200 upon 1 minus 10 by 100 ka whole square. Okay, during the 1 year population of town is increased by 5%. During the year population decreased by 5%. So 9975 upon 1 plus 5 by 100 and 1 minus 5 by 100. So this will be the answer. Then what was population size beginning of the first year? So 9975 20 upon 21 into 20 upon 19. Raman's salary we discussed. if A earns 33% of the B, how much percent B earned of the A? So 100 upon 3 upon 100 plus 100 upon 3 into 100. So we'll get A salary is the 20% less than B's salary, 20 upon 100 minus 20. A's salary 20% less than B's salary, so 20 upon 100 minus 20 into 100 equals to 25. How many kg of the pure salt must be added to 30 kg of 22% solution of the salt water to increase its to 10% solution? Amount of the 30 kg solution is 2 upon 100 into 30 equals to 0.6 kg. Let x kg of the pure salt be added, so 0.6 plus x upon 30 plus x equals to 10 by 100. So amount of the salt 30 kg is 2 upon 100 into 30 equals to 0.6 kg. So 0.6 into x upon 30 plus x equals to 10 by 100. So this will be 60 plus 100x equals to 300 plus 10x, so 90x. Okay. Due to the reduction of 6 and 1 by 4 of the sugar, a man is able to buy 1 kg more rates of 120. So 100 minus 25 by 4 into 1 by 100 equals to 15x by 16. So 120 upon 15x by 60 minus 120 upon x equals to 1. So 128 upon, so we will this reduce rates will be 100 minus is like 25 by 4 into 1 by 100x equals to 15x on 16. So 120 upon 15x by 20, 16 minus 120 upon x equals to 1. So we will get simply the answer 8, and the reduced rate will be the 15 by 16 into 8. And in an examination, 35% of the total students fail in Hindi, 45% of the total students are in English, and 20% in the both. So 35 plus 45 minus 20 equals to 60, and this 60% is all over of total 100 minus 60 is 40. In examination, 80% of students pass in the English and 85% in the mathematics, 75 into English. Okay, in both. So 85 upon 100 plus 85 upon 100 minus 75 upon 100, so it will be the 19 upon 100, so 9 by x. So this we today discuss some question of the mathematics. Hope you enjoyed this session.